Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view who blocked you on Twitter. So let's get started. Begin by launching your X application. There is no any option to view who blocked you. So to see if someone blocked you, you must know their username. Select the search icon and type in their username and perform a search. Now tap on the person's ID. As you can see, this user has not blocked me. And this is how you can view who blocked you on Twitter. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.